This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth Xbox controller. First, ensure your controller has a good charge, perhaps 100%, for a stable and uninterrupted experience. Also, verify that your device, whether a computer or a smartphone, actually supports Bluetooth connectivity. This crucial initial preparation saves you from many common issues later on, ensuring a smoother setup. To begin, power on your Xbox controller by pressing the large Xbox button located in the center. Next, find the small, circular sync button positioned on the top edge of your controller, right beside the USB port. Press and hold this sync button for approximately 3 seconds. The Xbox button will then start flashing quickly, indicating it is now in pairing mode and ready to connect. Now, shift your focus to the device you wish to connect your controller to. Open your device's main system settings menu. Within these settings, look for the Bluetooth or Connected Devices section and tap to open it. Make sure your device's Bluetooth functionality is clearly toggled to the on position and that it is actively scanning for any nearby discoverable devices. You should now see Xbox Wireless Controller or a similar name appear in the list of available Bluetooth devices on your screen. Simply select this option to begin the pairing process. The flashing Xbox button on your controller will turn solid, confirming that it has successfully connected. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your controller and your device before repeating these steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.